The Cuneta Astrodome. This is the 6th season of the Maharlika Pilipinas. Pushing the envelope. Alday. That's a difficult shot. Apacible with the offensive rebound. Apacible goes up. 2 points on the board for Rizal. Steros pops out on the middle. They go back door. That's a tight spot for Kawilan. A jumper drained on the left corner by Jonathan Jesalem.
I think gusto niyang bumawi.
Alday from the corner. That's money. Dangerous pass. Viloria picks it up. Viloria all the way for 2 points.
Well read by Viloria. Yung pass, ang layo kasi.
And I'm pretty sure Wesley was during his playing days. Were you a very able communicator during your playing days, Wes?
Maybe in my playing days, but if you ask my wife,
Yeah, short on the 3. Another possession here for Rizal. Alday will take it for himself. That's all nylon for Alwin Alday.
almost the same position.
Discussed in our pregame coverage, he had 20 points against the Voyagers. Are leaves it for Jesalem. The answer by Jonathan Jesalem.
Oh, not too much veterans for this QC squad, not like the other teams here in the MPBL. Pero, you know,
Time for Coach Ralph Rivera trying to maneuver through the defense. Lau, one dribble, pull up from the free throw line. That's money. They rejects the screen. Are, kick out. Sawat goes all the way, draws the foul. 2 points and 1 for Abdul Sawat. The start of the season. Sawat gets the steal. 2-on-1 break here for Quezon City. Sawat, 2 points more for Abdul Sawat.
when
On this Rizal team. Lau trying to back down Brandre Bienes. Bienes was playing against his former squad this afternoon. Couldn't do much. Been having trouble getting into shape, but little by little nakikita naman natin na nag-improve ang kondisyon ni Josan Nimes. Charles De La Cruz hitting from the outside.
Centro Mall na talagang behind.
-5 in that department, but Baeng Are trying to change that.
Played for San Miguel. You know, I was playing behind Don Ontiveros, Danny Siegel. So, you know, it's so hard to compete with those guys. I mean, talent-wise, they're here.
Offensive board goes to Cranial Viloria. It's a 4-on-5 here. Ballesteros slow to get back, and Viloria takes advantage, getting the basket and 1. Job of pressuring here. 2 seconds left. Pingoy forward to Cranial Viloria. Gives it up. Alday, 2 points more for all day.
Want to execute, but they turned the ball over.
Roman from 18 feet. Finally a basket there for Quezon City. And going up against Manila in the latter part of that 3-game schedule, they have the possibility of already facing Greg Slaughter in that roster.
Oh, yeah. That news that...
But he's missed a lot of them too. Are inside, just short on the inside hand scoop, but good thing Jason Ballesteros is there to clean up. Lem on the right side. Spins to the baseline. Blitz had to give it up. Tebayan gets it, plus the basket.
Good.
Apacible goes to the other side. Pingoy primes for 3, knocks it down.
Second three-pointer for Jerry Pingoy.
Tap for the loose ball goes to Rizal. Pingoy has Balagtas ahead, sees Alday trailing the play. Alday puts the ball on the deck, floats it up. First assist of the game. Viloria attacks middle. It's a block on Paeng Are. Will that count? Yes, that will. Viloria has...
Nung laro na yun against Pasay for Rizal, kasi Pasay was just really doing well, you know, in, outside.
Rizal, 46-31. Have a chance to increase it here. Alwin Alday drains another jumper from the outside. Has had some quality minutes off the bench tonight. Alday, another one from the outside. Good line, but just rimming out. Apacible having his way against Jason Ballesteros. You see coming the other way. Tautoan goes for the 3, gets the basket plus the foul.
Rare three-pointer. the three-point shot is still, a lower percentage shot compared to a shot like Roman did.
But it's virtually a 6 as Tautoan misses the free throw and Roman gets the putback. Here's a steal by Reggie. Tautoan has Sawat ahead. He'll take it. 2 points more para kay Reggie Tautoan. For the Golden Coolers, exactly a minute to play here in the third. Argente pops out of the staggered screens. Argente to douse water on the hot fire of Quezon City. John Argente, first points of the game. Tautoan couldn't answer. De Soyo tracks down the long rebound. Roman only had Viloria to deal with underneath.
Of Rizal.
A wild shot there by Argente. No whistle blown. Mosqueda is ahead of the pack. That's the easiest 2 points of the night para kay Chino Mosqueda. 2 points in that third quarter. Alday pulls back. Balagtas makes himself available. Argente almost the same spot. Still the same result para kay Sean Argente.
And of course, itong Rizal is always in front of their men.
Alday shoves the defense away to get the open look. Alday bottled up by the defense. Almost a triple team. Pingoy short on the shot. Balagtas on the second chance opportunity. Game with Abdul Sawat. Roller was already free. They didn't give it up. De Soyo from the outside. Finally a bucket para kay Alex De Soyo.
Now again.
Balagtas at the controls. Viloria to Apasible. John settles for the elbow jumper and he gets it over the defense of Kenji Roman.
A defender.
Dati ba nung panahon nyo, ano bang tawag sa usually sa ganyang sitwasyon?
Well, usually parang pag nakita nila na hinok ka, ikaw yung matatawagan eh.
Viloria on top. Currently with 10 points in this game. Viloria kissing it off the glass.
Ang hirap ng ikot na yun. Ang hirap.
2-0 before facing Nueva Ecija on their home floor where they lost by 6. And then the losses to Binyan in Pampanga where they lost by almost 20 in both games. Brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas. Alex De Soyo trying to salvage what pride they have left.
That ball against Mosqueda.
Push shot there, Alex De Soyo getting another basket. 4 straight points para kay Alex De Soyo.
Pagkakabunot sa kanya yung only played in the second half. Pero maganda yung naging shooting niya, maganda yung naging depensa niya. He was very aggressive both in offense and defense.
Of the season, Alday will dribble away the clock here. Quezon City reeling to their 4th straight.